Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, photos or images takes tons of space in our mobile devices. So, would you like to have more space available without deleting them? If yes, then in today's video we are going to tell you about one application which can be used for compressing your photographs, resizing your photographs and making cutout of your photographs. Okay, and that application name is Lit Photo Compress and Resize application. So this application will help you to compress your photographs without reducing their quality. You can resize your photographs by choosing the resultant size in pixel or percentage, and you can cut out your photos. So you can zoom and you can choose the various presets format, etc. Okay, so for this you need to install one application within your mobile phone. So visit Play Store and search for Lit Photo. So friends, you can see here, this is the application which we need to install within our mobile phone. Friends, I have already installed it, so I will tab on this open. So this is the interface of Lit Photo application. So interface is quite simple and easy. In the top right corner you can see the result folder. So here you can see the path of the result, where your compressed photos will be available, where your resized photo will be available, and where your crop photo will be available. So right now you can see I have 3 images available within these 3 different locations. Okay, then next to that, in the top left corner, if you tab on this panel will appear in front of you. So first of all you have rate us option, where you can provide ratings for this application. Then if you want to get premium version of this application, so by paying 85 rupees you will get permanent license for this Lit Photo application. Then result folder, so it will show you the result folder location. Okay, so next to that you can provide feedback if you want. Then you can see the version and other details regarding this application within About Us. Then in the settings, now you can control the output path. Okay, so where you want to store your compressed photos you can change here. Okay, so in order to change any of this, simply tab on this pencil icon. You can see the local storage. So select the folder where you want to store your resultant photographs. Okay, in terms of compression, in terms of resize, or in terms of crop. Then here in the main screen you have 3 major options they have provided: compress photos, resize photo, crop photo. So if we tab on this compress photos, so we will have this interface in front of us. So at top we can see we can access the mobile phone camera here and start clicking photograph. Okay, so whatever photograph you will select, that photograph will get compressed. Then next to that you can see all images from my mobile phone will be visible here. Okay, so any image whichever I want to compress, I can select that image. Okay, so next to that, in the bottom of the screen you can see we have 2 options: select all. Suppose we want to select all images available here, as this is not a premium version, so we can select maximum 100 images for processing. Okay, and if you want to select images from specific folder, you can tab here and it will show you the list of available directories within your local storage. So you can go to any directory and select the photograph which you want to compress. Friends, in the top right corner you can see here we have selected 100 photographs. Okay, so whatever photographs we will select, you can view them by tabbing on this button. So all these images we have selected right now for compressing. Okay, so you can select specific image as well. Okay, by tabbing on it. So you can see here images are getting selected like this. Okay, so 9 images we have selected. Okay, so now I will try to show you how you can compress image. So to compress image, select the directory where your image is available. So for example, my image is available within this directory. So this image we want to compress. So you can see here the resolution and the size of image. So I will select this image and I will tab on this button. Now in front of us this compression options will be available. So here we can control the compression mode in terms of quality and size. So you can control the quality of your image by sliding this. Okay, by default it is 80%. If you want to increase, you can increase it like this. Okay, then next thing you have to enable this maintain resolution. So what will happen? Your size of image will get reduced, but your resolution will be maintained. Okay, this is the first mode in the compression. Second mode is size. So you can control the size of your image with which compression should be performed. So ideal size you should keep 700 KB or 800 KB, and here as well the maintain resolution should be enabled. Then in the file options we can select the path of compressed photos. The next one, delete original photos. So if you enable this, it will delete the original photo as soon as process will be completed. Okay, so if you try to tab on this, it will show you this confirm message. Okay, so if you confirm it, it will delete your original photograph after performing compression. Then next option is restore EXIF data. Now what is EXIF data? So EXIF stands for exchangeable image file format. So friends, every time you take a picture with your digital camera or with your mobile phone, a file, typically JPG, is returned to your device storage, and it includes date, time, camera settings, possible copyright information. So such kind of information is available within this EXIF data. So right now it is enabled, means all your EXIF data will be available as it is after compression as well. If you don't want it, you can disable this. Okay, then resultant photo format. So right now it is origin, means whatever your original format is there, it will remain same after compression as well. If you want to change it to JPG, PNG, WebP, you can change it. Then if you want to select photographs with specific size, then you can tab on this and you can select the size of photograph. So that photograph or below that size photographs will get skipped. Right now it is unlimited, means there will be no restriction in the selection of photograph. Okay, now our setting is done. Let's try to compress our photograph. So tab on this start compressing. You can see here process is started. Friends, you can see the compression process is completed. So original size was 5.8 MB, and after compression it becomes 600 KB only, near about 600 KB only. So you can understand how much difference we have between original photograph, that is before compression, and after compression. So you can save tons of space by compressing all your photographs with this application. So where this compressed photo is available, so you can see here the path is given. See here friends, the quality is still available as it is, but size of photograph is getting reduced. You can see the resolution is maintained here. You can see all details at this bottom, because we have maintained the resolution of our image while compressing it. Friends, next option we have resize photos. So here as well we need to select the photograph first of all which we want to resize. So again I will select the same photograph from the same location. So after selecting your photograph, tab here. Now it will show you the resize mode, whether you want to resize it in pixel or percentage. Okay, so whatever mode you want, you can select here. Okay, so here you can see you can change the percentage here by which you want to resize. Okay, so here in the pixel option, first of all you have maintain aspect ratio. So if you want to maintain the aspect ratio of your photograph, enable this. okay, otherwise you can disable it. Then here next to that you can select the presets, okay. So whichever preset you want, standard presets they have specified. Suppose I will select the standard preset here, okay. So here you can see width becomes 1024 pixel and height becomes 768 pixels. Or if you don't want it, you can keep it custom as well. So here you can specify any custom width and height in pixel, okay, like this, okay. So I will go and I will select this standard preset. Next to that you can see compress option is there. So while resizing our photo, we can also compress our photograph, okay. So here you can see the option resize with compression, so it is enabled. So you can specify the quality for compression, okay. And so with this we will start resizing here, and you can see the photograph is resized. So original is 4118 into 7330, and it becomes now 1024 into 1822. Like this you can resize your photographs as well as you can perform the compression, okay. That is what the resize with compression. Friends, next option we have crop photograph. Friends, if you don't want the particular part of image, you can simply crop it. So I will show you how you can crop your photograph. So I will go to the local storage and I will select one photograph here. So this photograph I will select, okay, tab here. Now here you can see there are different presets they have shown, okay. So this is the original. If you tab on this 4:3, 3:2, you can see, okay, the clipping window is changing as per that, okay. So this is nothing but a clipping window actually. This white rectangle you can see, only this part of photograph will be selected, okay, remaining part will get skip, okay. That is nothing but a clipping window. So right now you can see this is the clipping window, only this part of photograph will be available in the output, remaining all part will get skip, okay. Friends, if you want to zoom your image, you can tab here. So like this you can zoom any part of your image, okay. So more properly you can perform cropping option. Then if you want to crop, you can select this option. So various presets already we have discussed. If you want to rotate your image, okay, so you can select this third button. So if you want to rotate your image by 90-degree, tab here directly, it will rotate your image by 90-degree. If you want to rotate your image by certain angle only, you can see here, you can slide it to the left side or you can slide it to the right side like this. So it will rotate your image by specified angle. Or if you want to cancel this rotation, simply tab on this close. So it will cancel your rotation and your image will be available within its original position, okay, like this. So we will rotate it like this and our setting is done. Now tab on this. So you can see the photograph is cropped now. Friends, like this you can compress your photographs, resize your photographs and crop photographs very easily with Lit Photo application. Friends, I will suggest you to use this application for compressing your photographs because it will help you to release tons of space within your mobile storage, so that again you can use for clicking more photographs. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.